Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio up here, and this time we're demonstrating just an AM radio. I'm not sure of the year. It's obviously out of a Dodge or a Chrysler car, probably pre-66 AM radio. And Dave has requested that the conversion be wired to the original connectors, which means we only have one speaker output, even after conversion, because that's all the original connectors allow. So I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get in Prescott Valley. So let's go ahead and turn her on.
Honest information and sound advice.
There's no need to check the speakers because there's only one speaker working anyway. So there's our AM. Let's make sure our tone control works. Okay, now we're going to go over to FM, which we do by turning the unit off, then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM, and I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area for a quick test.
Incluso en los peores momentos. More like
Okay, that one drifted a little bit.
sí.
The best for you, Jimmy, in the
Wanda Nationals in June.
what a bomb ass.
Cuello.
And that's it. That's it. There's no balance or fader adjustment to test. Just got to test the dial-out real quick, so we'll do that right now. Make sure we got dial-out action going on there, and we do. I can see it peaking. I can see it flashing on and off through that tiny opening there. So we're good to go here, and I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio up here, and to reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below, and please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because that's what the work order is for. Work order has all my options and prices, including options for turnaround time, and so please make that the first step towards contact me and finding out my prices and options and all that stuff. And thank you so much for watching and listening, and thank you, Dave, for at least the 3rd job clear from St. Clair Shores, Michigan. And we'll see you guys next time.